Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we're going to do a yardstick centerpiece. It can be used as a door swag and also as a garland. These are one of my favorite things to make, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I am going to use mine as a centerpiece, but I just wanted to also show you what it would look like as a door swag. For this yardstick centerpiece, you're going to need one yardstick, and we cut about 5 or 6 inches off the end of ours. You will only need, if you cut 5 or 6 inches off, one roll of the 10-inch deco mesh, but usually I buy 2 and it takes 2 when I don't cut any off. You're going to need some foam and some pipe cleaners to get started. Now you could spray paint your yardstick if you wanted to. Let it dry, and then you're ready to start working. Now you will want to add some foam to the center because we're going to be adding some floral picks. Now this is optional. I have lots of tutorials where I do not add the foam to the center. First, you're going to move down about 2 inches, take a pipe cleaner, twist it around your yardstick, and twist it to the left side. Take a second pipe cleaner, twist it around your yardstick, and twist it to the right side. Then you're going to take a third pipe cleaner. You're going to point this one toward the ceiling. I did measure and mark off where my foam's going, that way I'll know not to put pipe cleaners there. So next you're going to move down to halfway between your first set of pipe cleaners and your mark where your foam's going to be glued. Take a pipe cleaner, same steps. Take one, twist your pipe cleaner to the left side. Take a second one, and you're going to twist it to the right side, and then you're going to take a third one and twist it and leave it pointed toward the center. So I did 2 pipe cleaners on the top, 2 pipe cleaners on the bottom. You will also need some twine or wire to secure your foam to your yardstick. You're also going to need some hot glue. I like using Gorilla Glue brand hot glue sticks. And then you're also going to need some floral picks and some ribbon for this yardstick centerpiece. Now I'm working on the bottom half, same steps, move down a couple inches, take one pipe cleaner, twist it to the left side, take a second pipe cleaner, twist it to the right side, and then take a third one and leave it pointed toward the ceiling or in the center. Now I have lots of yardstick, door swag, centerpiece, garland tutorials on my YouTube channel. They're one of my favorite things to make and most requested, so I have one for just about every holiday and season. So if you don't like this one, I try to make mine a little different each time. So let me know and I can link another tutorial for you. Now just remember, you can make this for any season or holiday by just changing up your deco mesh and your floral picks and your ribbon. I am doing a giveaway. I hit 80,000 subscribers a couple weeks ago, so I'm doing my 80,000 subscribers giveaway plus my December giveaway. I'm turned it into one giveaway where I'm giving away one $50 Hobby Lobby gift card to one winner. So if you'll go watch my last video I posted, there's all the details about how to enter, and I can link that tutorial in the description box if you would like to enter for a $50 Hobby Lobby gift card. Next, you're going to want to take your 10-inch deco mesh and you're going to cut the mesh into strips at 22 inches. Because I only did 4 sets of pipe cleaners on my yardstick centerpiece, I only needed the one roll of 10-inch deco mesh, and I picked up this mesh at Hobby Lobby when it was on sale. So just cut your mesh into strips at 22 inches, and we're going to be using the woodland ruffle method, and this method is a really neat method where it keeps down the fraying. So if you don't like deco mesh because of all the fraying, this is a great method that helps to keep down the fraying. So you're going to take one end, roll it a few times, take a chip clip and put on it or a clothespin, go the opposite end, roll it a few times, then you're going to take your fingers and walk it up the center of your deco mesh till you get to the chip clip or clothespin, remove it, then you have a beautiful little bow tie or ruffle. Now go to the top pipe cleaner on the left, take your ruffle, put it between the 2 pipe cleaners, give the pipe cleaners a few twists. Now you're going to make one for the right side and for the center. So have your deco mesh curling toward the ceiling, roll it a few times, Put a chip clip or clothespin on that end, go to the opposite end, roll it a few times, then walk your fingers up the center of your mesh. Then remove the little clip. Then now we're going to the top right pipe cleaner. So I'm just going to put my mesh in between the pipe cleaner, then twist the pipe cleaner around it, and then I'm going to make a third ruffle for the center pipe cleaner. Now I'm going to do the same steps for all 4 sets of my pipe cleaners. Next, I hot glued the foam onto the center of the yardstick, let it dry, then I also wrapped some twine around it and also some floral wire. That way I can make sure that the foam did not move and stayed in place. Now I am just taking a floral pick and I am just securing it in the pipe cleaners, one on the left side, one on the right side. Now these are a little bit heavy, so I did add some floral wire to hold them in place too. Now the rest of my floral picks, I pushed them into the foam. So I just cut them shorter and then pushed them into the foam. Now if you're planning on using this for a long time, you might want to add a little hot glue onto the end of each pick before you push it into the foam. I like to reuse mine, so I don't normally glue things in. I tried to get Miss Willow to look at the camera, but she just did not want to look at the camera. She had rather play with the centerpiece. I did add 4 bows to the centerpiece. I just used some ribbon from Sam's Club, and I just made 4 single bows, and I made sure I liked where they were, and then I hot glued them in place. And so I think that's it. Before you hang it up or before you put it on your table, make sure you go back and trim your pipe cleaners that you're not using shorter, so that way they don't show. And if you're using this as a door swag, you'll want to drill a hole in the top of the yardstick and thread some wire or twine through it. That way you can hang it up on your door. And then also another thought is the LED battery powered lights are a neat addition to this centerpiece. I didn't have any extra ones to add to this one, but I always like adding LED battery powered lights to centerpieces. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And don't forget to go back and watch my last video and enter my 80,000 subscribers December giveaway.